To create a Jenkins job, follow these steps. Access Jenkins. Open Jenkins through your browser. Create a new job. On the Jenkins dashboard, click New Item. Enter a name for your job. Select the job type, such as Freestyle Project or Pipeline. Click OK. Configure the job. In the configuration page, General, provide a description of the job, optionally restricted to specific agents. Source code management. Choose Git or Subversion and provide the repository URL and credentials. Build triggers. Set triggers like polling the repository, periodic builds, or builds on external events. Build environment. Add pre-built steps like environment variable setup. Build steps. Add steps to execute, such as running a shell script, invoking Maven goals, or calling a build script. Post-build actions. Define actions like archiving artifacts, publishing test reports, or sending notifications. Save and build. Click Save to finalize the job. Trigger the job manually by clicking Build Now or wait for configured triggers to initiate it.